Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to share with you our upcoming launch of Magical Beauties, our new collection of setting powders infused with real pearls. And I wanted to share with you a little bit about our product. So right now I am actually wearing our Radiant Particles formula, and our Radiant Particles formula is the one with the pinkish rosy undertone, and it has a slight sheen to it that gives you a nice velvety glow, sets your makeup and gives you a flawless finish. And this is actually our product and our packaging for our new collection of setting powder. So this is actually our Radiant Particles formula, so I wanted to share with you all what it looked like. I wanted to use this packaging because it is perfect for those that are on the go. It has a built-in brush, and so you can use it while you're on the go. You can toss it in your purse, your gym bag, or in your car when you're taking the kids to school. Just very, very convenient. So it's something that you can use in your morning routine when you're doing your makeup routine in the morning, or you can also take it on the go, especially if you live in humid climates and you get oily throughout the day. It's just perfect to reapply throughout the day. This is actually our Radiant Particles formula, which is the pinkish rosy undertone that is great for normal to oily skin types. It helps absorb excess oils, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's got that pinkish, the pinkish rosy undertone that I personally love. It's actually what I'm wearing right now. So this is 1/3 of our new collection. We will be coming out with 3 formulas, which is, this is Radiant Particles. We also have a Stardust formula, which is great for absorbing excess oils. And then we also have Supernova, and Supernova is also infused with real pearls, but also has hyaluronic acid in it that helps maintain moisture as well. So it's great for dry to normal skin types. And so there it is, 1/3 of our new collection that will be launching here soon. So I also wanted to make another announcement that we're super excited about too, is that outside of our 3 products that we will be launching, we will also be doing custom blends for those that want a custom blend of a setting powder. Because here's the thing, we all have different skin types, we all have, we live in different areas, and we have different climates that we have to contend with. So we also wanted to offer custom blends for you. Yes, you. And that will also be available on our website at magicalbeauty.com, and that's magical with a K, so it's magicalbeauty.com. So I just wanted to share 1/3 of our new collection of setting powders. If you're interested in an exclusive preview of our website and collection of our setting powders, definitely contact me or contact someone from the team, and we will reach out to you for an exclusive preview of our website and collection. So that's all I have for this video. I just wanted to share with you all a little bit more about our upcoming launch here in September, because I wanted to bring an amazing product to the marketplace. Because here's the thing, you know, when it comes to makeup, setting your makeup is the last step to your makeup routine, but it is the most important because it's going to give you that flawless finish. And so I'm very, very passionate about setting powders and finishing powders because they are very important to your overall look. And so I wanted to share that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.